Hi, I'm Handy Hank. Did you know that Mooresville Public Library was the first library in the United States to offer touchless self-checkout? It's true. Let me show you how it works. First, you go to one of our self-checkout stations, scan your Evergreen, Indiana library card, place the items you wish to check out one at a time on the pad, and each item will auto-check out. When you're done checking out, point your finger, but do not touch the screen, at the End Session button. Then you can select whether or not you wish to print a receipt. Point to the button that you wish to activate. In this case, print a receipt. And you're all set to go. Pretty simple, right? If you need assistance, our staff will be happy to help. I'm Handy Hank, and I'll see you later. So long.